Hey there, culinary adventures. Welcome back to Blog in Good Food, where we bring you deliciously simple baked dinner recipes. If you are looking for easy dinner ideas, you have come to right place. So let's get started. Our first stop on this culinary journey is the world of twice baked potatoes. These are a real crowd pleaser and perfect for a comforting dinner. To start, scoop out the fluffy insides of your baked potatoes. This is where creativity meets simplicity. Add your choice of toppings, think crispy bacon, cheddar cheese, and chives. Pop them back in the oven until they are golden brown and bubbling with flavor. The result, a heavenly side dish that pairs perfectly with any main course. Next up, we are diving into the world of baked bean ground beef, a hearty and wholesome dinner option that's also healthy. Start by browning your ground beef and adding a medley of delicious seasonings. Mix in some baked beans for that rich, savory flavor. Now let's talk about baked chicken, the star of many dinner tables. Baked chicken thighs are a tender and juicy favorite. Season them to perfection and bake until they are irresistibly crispy. Craving pasta? Try our baked chicken Alfredo pasta, creamy and dreamy. And for those on the go, don't miss our baked chicken sandwich. For those looking for a bit more adventure, we have got something for you too. Crispy, flavorful chicken wings are just a bake away. Sink your teeth into juicy steak with our delectable steak recipes. Now let's explore some vegetarian options for our meatless friends. Stuffed bell pepper are a colorful and nutritious choice. Fill them with a medley of veggies and bake to perfection. Craving the rich earthy flavors of mushrooms? Try our baked portobello mushrooms. There you have it, a mouth-watering selection of baked dinner recipes. Explore the full recipes on Blog in Good Food and embark on your culinary adventure today. Remember to hit that subscribe button for more delectable delights. Happy baking!